that life is all about the journey and discovery. And I want to share with you today about the time that I discovered coughing in my pants. Putnam Pig, at your service. Oh, I'll get you, Bonsai. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I keep losing. There must be something wrong with this controller. Oh! I can't get the headset off. Oh, that was rough. I think I need a snack. You know, I just can't decide though. Do I want something salty? Or do I want something sweet? Salty? Salty. Or sweet? Sweet. I'll just have to go look and see what I can find. I'm still not sure what snack to have. There's peanut butter. I like peanut butter, but I don't know. That just isn't exactly what I want. Green beans? No! No veggies. Those refried beans look kind of good. I've never had those before. Maybe I'll try them. That's what I'll do. I'm gonna try refried beans. I wonder why they had to fry them twice. Oh well. It's heavy. How do you open this thing? Hello? It's still not open. Does it not say? Opens on the first try. Right there. You teller of tales. You dispenser of lies. The can opener. It lied. It didn't open it at all. Not even a little bit. Maybe a hammer will do the trick. It is time for Ninja Pig to use the Force. At least before somebody notices I'm wearing their sock on my head. Yep, that did it. Now that wasn't so hard, was it? These beans look delicious. Are you sure you don't want any? I don't do beans. They give me an awful tummy ache. I wouldn't eat all those. Don't tell me what to do! These are so good! You better be careful, you're gonna get sick. Oh, drats! They're gone! I can't believe I ate the whole thing. You're gonna get a tummy ache. You're going down, Bonsai. My belly does feel kind of funny. Almost like I swallowed a balloon. Oh. That's weird. I just heard the machine gun fire, but I didn't push the button. Did you just fart? Wasn't me. Yes, you did. The dog did it. You farted, tooted, cut the cheese. You understand? No, I didn't. I coughed. In my pants. If you just coughed in your pants, you better get cough syrup. And air freshener.